Hey there, fellow musicians! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in musical gear. Today, we're diving into the world of brass instrument care with a product that's making waves in the trombone community. Introducing the MusicNomad Premium Trombone Slide Lubricant. This right here is not just your average slide oil, folks. No, sir. This is the best trombone slide oil available in the market, and let me tell you why. First off, let's talk about the formulation. The MusicNomad Slide Lubricant boasts a proprietary blend of water and synthetic oil emulsion. What does that mean for you? Well, it means you get a long-lasting, super smooth slide without any nasty buildup. Plus, it's petroleum-free, so you can rest easy knowing you're not gunking up your instrument with harmful chemicals. But wait, there's more. This stuff is infused with anti-corrosion ingredients and microbiostat preservatives. That means your trombone stays in top-notch condition, even after hours of playing. And get this, it's proudly made right here in the USA, so you know you're getting quality you can trust. Now, let's talk about performance. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned pro hitting the stage, the MusicNomad Slide Lubricant has got you covered. It provides a smooth, effortless glide that'll have your trombone singing like never before. So there you have it, folks. The MusicNomad Premium Trombone Slide Lubricant. The best trombone slide oil on the market, bar none. Don't let sticky slides hold you back any longer. Grab yourself a bottle today and let your trombone shine. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on all things musical. Until next time, keep on playing.